In the magical town of Rainbowville, there lived a cheerful purple truck named Sparkle. Sparkle wasn't the fastest or the shiniest, but oh, did he have a heart full of sparkle and shimmer. Every day, Sparkle would watch the rescue vehicles zooming around with their bright lights and loud sirens, dreaming of a day when he could be a hero too. One day, a big storm hit Rainbowville. The raindrops danced, and the wind giggled through the colorful streets. Suddenly, a call for help echoed in the air. The bridge connecting the two sides of Rainbowville was in trouble. The fire trucks and police cars raced to the scene, but they couldn't cross the bridge. It was like a giant, wobbly rainbow. Brave and full of glittering courage, Sparkle revved up his engine and rolled up to the edge of the bridge. With determination in his twinkling headlights, Sparkle offered to help. The fire chief hesitated but couldn't resist Sparkle's shimmering enthusiasm. Carefully, Sparkle glided across the wobbly bridge, carrying supplies and rescuing rainbow-loving creatures to safety. The townsfolk cheered as Sparkle became their unexpected hero, the sparkliest truck Rainbowville had ever seen. From that day on, Sparkle wasn't just a cheerful red truck, he was Rainbowville's dazzling hero, always ready to bring a touch of magic wherever he rolled. And so, with a heart full of sparkle, Sparkle's dreams came true, proving that even the littlest trucks can light up the town and be the shiniest heroes of all.